Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In this video, we will see how to draw some basic geometric constructions. So first is how to bisect given line segment. So first step is to draw line segment of given length. Okay. Then from endpoints mark two arcs. Okay, that is here from point A mark one arc on upside and downside of line AB keeping same arc radius, and from point B mark two arcs, one is at upper side and one is at lower side of line AB. Here point P and point Q are the point of intersection of these two arcs. Then next step is to join these 2 points, point P and point Q. Then this line is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Okay, and M is the midpoint of AB. Then finally label diagram properly. Okay, so as shown in here, as this is perpendicular bisector, length AM is equal to length MB and angle M is 90 degree is shown here symbolically, and do not erase any construction. The next we will see how to bisect given angle. So for that purpose, first draw angle with given measurement. Okay, then take some suitable distance in compass and take center of compass at point A and mark arc on arm AB and arm AQ. Here P and Q are point of intersection with these arms with arc. Then next step, take some same distance or another distance in compass and center at P, mark arc on interior side of angle. Then same procedure is repeated with taking center at point Q, okay, and keeping same arc distance. Okay, then we get point R is the point of intersection of these two arcs. Then next step is to draw a ray which is passing through point A and R. So this ray passing through point A and R is the angle bisector of angle BAC. And finally label diagram properly, show essential symbols and do not erase any construction. Okay. Next is to divide given line segment in given ratio. Okay, so for that purpose, first draw line segment of given length. Then with any one endpoints A or B, we have to draw a line which is making some acute angle, that is less than 90 degree angle with our line segment AB. So I have drawn a line from endpoint A. Now suppose that we have to divide this line segment in ratio 3:5. For that purpose, I will take some distance in compass, and here 3 ratio is 3:2. That means 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, so I will mark 5 equal distances on this inclined line starting from endpoint A. So these are the 5 marks: A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay, all these are equidistant mark. Okay, then next step is to join last point. Here last point is A5 to another endpoint B. Okay, so draw line joining point A5 and B. Then once again we have to divide this line segment in ratio 3:2. So for that purpose I will take A3 point, because we want ratio 3:2. Therefore I will take 0.3 and draw a line which is parallel to line A5B from point A3. Okay, and this line is intersecting AB segment at point C. Suppose that instead of 3:2, we have to divide line segment in ratio 1:4. That means 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So once again I will make 5 equal distances on this inclined line, and if ratio is 1:4, then first I will join last point to another end point, and I will draw a line parallel to this A5B line from point A1, because ratio is 1:4. Okay, so in same way you can divide, you can select a point depending upon your ratio. Okay, then here as C is the point, we get AC to CB ratio as 3:2. And finally label diagram properly, show essential symbols, and do not erase any construction. And next we will see how to draw tangent to circle from point on circle. Okay, here we use method using center. So first step is to draw circle with given radius. Next, take any point P on circle, then draw a ray OP which is passing through point O and P. Now okay, here now take point P as a center here. Okay, P point take as a center, and arc radius is equal to radius of circle. Arc radius is equal to radius of circle. Mark arc on this ray OP, and this arc is intersecting at point Q here. Okay, the next step, now take some suitable distance in compass, and with center at point Q and center at point O, mark arcs on right side and left side of this ray OP. Okay, then these arcs are intersecting at point L and at point M. Now next step is to draw line passing through point L and M. Okay, this line L is tangent at point P. So finally draw essential symbols here, as OP is radius and L is a tangent, so angle between them is 90°. So I have here mentioned here clearly, and do not erase any constructions. The next is draw tangent to circle from point on circle without using center. So in this method we have to draw circle first. So I have draw here circle with given radius, as here method is without using center, so don't show center here. Okay, while drawing this drawing tangent using this method, don't indicate a center point. Then next step is to take any 3 points on this circle. Okay, and join these points. So one triangle is formed here, triangle ABC. Now from any vertices, say from point B, with some suitable distance in compass, mark 2 arcs, one on side AB and another one on side BC. They will intersect at point M and N here. Now in next step, now take C as a center point, and with same arc radius, mark arc as shown in figure. This arc is intersecting third side AC at point P as shown in figure. Now join M and N, okay, and take radius equals to distance Mn, and take center point at P and mark arc with arc radius is equal to Mn. Okay, this arc is intersecting previous arc at point Q. Okay, next Then draw a line which is passing through point Q and C. This line is tangent to circle at point C. Okay, so this is the radius, sorry, this is a tangent drawn without using center of circle. Okay, then finally label diagram properly, show essential symbols. As here center is not shown, so I have not indicate 90-degree symbol here. Okay, and do not erase any construction. Then next is how to draw tangent to circle from external point. Then first step is to draw circle with given radius. Then take point P at a given distance from center O. So given distance may be 10, 5 or anything greater than radius. The next step is to bisect segment OP. Okay, by the same method as explained earlier. Okay, then this line is perpendicular bisector of segment OP, and it is intersecting at point M. So M is the midpoint of segment OP. Now next step is take M as a center. Okay, M as a center, and radius equals to MO. Radius is equals to MO, and draw one circle. Okay, this circle is intersecting at point L and Q point to original circle. The next step is to draw tangents, that is PL and PQ, passing from point L and Q. Okay, finally label diagram properly, show essential symbols, and do not erase any constructions. Okay, so in this way we have seen some basic geometric constructions in this chapter. Remaining constructions we will discuss in our next video. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.